Guys, so today I wanted to show my birds. They're parakeets with my son. He likes to play with them and bother them occasionally. This one is called, the blue one is called Blue Blue.
Blue?
Yeah, Blue Blue. The yellow one is called, we called it Sol, which means sun in Spanish. And Kevin likes to play with them a lot. They really like this snack thing right here. I put it there probably like a day or two ago and it's almost gone. So they really like it. But yeah, they're parakeets. And they're not big enough to know if they're male or female, but we should know here shortly. Because they're about 2 months, and I think it's 3 months to know. And they say that the way that you know is by looking at the top part of their nostril. So, let's see. Let's see if we can. Okay, do you see the beak? Above the beak where the nostrils are, it's either pink or purple. And that's how we know if they're male or female. But here's my birds. They haven't. They were chirping a little while ago. I don't know why they're so quiet right now. Let's see if they'll start chirping. Kevin, be nice. Kevin likes to scare them occasionally. Be nice, Kevin. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Probably why they're not chirping. They're probably a little scared right now by this monster over here. Sol. Blue, blue. Blue, blue. Sol. Guess you don't want to chirp today, do you? Be careful, Kevin. They have bitten my cousin. My cousin tried to grab Blue Blue, and it bit him. So they do bite, especially when they're so small. You know, they're not used to humans yet. But here in a little, I don't know, a couple months or maybe a month, I'll start taking it out of the cage, and maybe it'll be on my finger. But I just wanted to show my birds. My favorite is the yellow one. So she's just so pretty. But thanks for watching. Like this video and share it. Maybe you never know. Maybe there's some parakeet lovers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being on my channel. See you on the next video.